What's up guys, my name is Bailey, and on this channel I'll be going over my entrepreneurial experiences on what I've done in the past, what I'm currently doing, and what I'll do in the future. I'm currently doing affiliate marketing, drop shipping, and I'm also reselling shoes on StockX and GOAT. In this video, I'll be going over how to sell shoes instantly on StockX. Without any further ado, let's jump into it. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into my phone to show you guys a step-by-step process within the app to show you guys how to find the shoe and then sell the shoe instantly. So let's jump into the phone right now. I'll go ahead and pull up an overlay of my iPhone onto the screen so you guys can follow along. So once you open up the StockX app, you're gonna wanna go ahead and click the search button on the very bottom right there. And you're gonna wanna search for the shoe that you're looking for. The shoe that I have is BV7721. It's a Nike shoe. It's the Ant Pearl. And once you go onto the app, you're gonna click the red button right there where it says sell. And on my screen, it's gonna pull up the shoes I already have listed. If this is your case, just go ahead and click place a new ask, and it's gonna bring you to a screen just like this. And you're gonna select the size you have. I have a size 14. And then you're gonna either place an ask, which is when you wait for the shoe to be sold, or you can click sell now and you can sell the shoe instantly for that price. It's gonna show you the breakdown of how much you will make after all the fees are paid. It'll bring you to a screen like this after you click review sale. And then go ahead and checkbox these two boxes and go ahead and click confirm sale. If the sale has gone through and there's no issues with the card from the buyer's end, it'll bring you to a screen that says order confirmed. At this step, you are then going to be able to sell the shoes instantly, box it up, and bring it to the UPS store. You're gonna go ahead and drop it off there, and then it will actually pay your PayPal account within a couple days once they receive it. And as long as StockX verifies the shoe and that it's not damaged or dirty or anything like that, they will go ahead and successfully give you that payment. As you guys saw, the shoes that I sold after all the StockX fees was $190.28. The shoes itself costed $105 plus $7.61 for tax. The take-home profit was $77.67. So as you guys can tell, one pair of shoes can make you almost $100, and this is fairly simple if you can find the right shoe and if you can find a lot of sizes for that one shoe. If you guys do your research correctly, you guys can stock up on shoes and sell the shoes within a couple of days and make quite a lot of profit. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button so I know that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions at all in regards to affiliate marketing, dropshipping, or reselling on any platforms like StockX, GOAT, or even on eBay, go ahead and drop it in the comment section down below. If you guys want to follow my entrepreneurial journey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so that you guys don't miss any content that I post. Other than that, that is all I have for you guys in this video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.